Hello students, this question is taken from test series 3 double E from the subject power electronics from the topic phase control rectifier, and it is of common data question number 50. In this given question, having three phase converter shown in the above figure. This is the three phase power converter having the thyristor T1, thyristor T2 and thyristor T3 and thyristor T4 and thyristor T5 and T6, having the inductance value Ls is equal to 25 microhenry and input voltage of 460 volts, that is input voltage is given 460 volt. We have to find the firing angle, that is alpha, if Vd, that is output voltage, is equal to 520 volt and output power P0 is 500 kilovolt. We have to find the value of firing angle alpha. In order to find the firing angle alpha, first we will calculate the value of output current, that is I0 is equal to output power by output voltage, that is equal to output power is nothing but given 500 kilovolt divided by output voltage is given 520 volt. From that we can calculate the value of output current, that is 952.38. The output voltage Vd with overlap is given by, that is the formula to calculate the output voltage, that is Vd is equal to 3V line to line by pi cos alpha minus 3 omega Ls by pi I0. In this we can find the value of firing angle alpha from this. This is the formula to calculate the voltage Vd with overlap. We know the value of VLL, that is 460 into root 2 cos alpha 3 into omega L. Yes, omega value is 2 pi f and inductance is given Ls is 25 microhenry and I0 is from that we can calculate that 952.38. Substitute all the values in the formula. The output voltage is 520 volt is equal to 3 into 460 root 2 by pi cos alpha minus 3 into 2 pi f, which is nothing but 2 pi f, frequency is 60 hertz into 25 microhenry divided by pi into the value of output current is 952.4. From this we can calculate the value of firing angle alpha, that is 30.08 degrees, which is the option similar nearby is C, which is option C. In this session we have studied the how to calculate the firing angle alpha in three phase power converter. Thank you.